Hi everyone, good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Simi, your maths teacher. In this session, we are going to discuss the last part of the chapter 4, linear equations in two variables. Okay, so we can discuss that. Exercise 4.3, question number 5. Here in this question, two graphs are given, A and B. Then some choices are also given. That means 4 choices for the first figure and for the second figure 4 choices are given. Then from the given choices we have to choose the equation whose graphs are given in the figure. Figure A and figure B. Okay, so first we have to discuss first figure. This is figure A given for the fifth question and 4 choices are given. Then from the choices we have to choose the equation whose graph is given here as figure A. The given options are first one y equal x, second one x plus y equal 0. Third one y equal 2x and the fourth one 2 plus 3y equal 7x. From the figure we can identify the solutions are negative 1 1, 0 0 and 1 negative 1. These are the three solutions given in the graph. These are the solutions given in the figure. Then here we have to substitute that in the first choice y equal x. So when we check that by the first solution, here x equal negative 1, y equal positive 1. Here y is not equal x. Here we want to get y equal x, but here y and x are not equal. Then second solution, that is 0 0. That means x equal 0, y also 0. So here y equal x is true. Then third solution is x is 1, y equal negative 1. Here also y not equal x. That means y equal x. That equation is not true for this solution. Thus it is false. For the second one it is true. For the third one it is false. If these three are true, then only we can say that this is the solution or equation for the graph. So here it is not all the threes are true. So y equal x is not an equation. Not an equation for figure A. Okay, this is the conclusion. Second choice, x plus y equals 0. So the first solution is negative 1 1, x equal negative 1, y equal positive 1. So we can add x plus y, that is negative 1 plus 1 equals 0. So this is true. Here x plus y equals 0 is the given equation, so this is true. Then for the second solution, x is 0, y is 0. So we can add x plus y, so that is 0 plus 0 equals 0. So here also it is true. Then we can check that by the third solution, that is x equal 1, y equal negative 1. Then we can add x plus y, that is 1 plus negative 1, that is equal 0. So here also it is true. Here these three cases it is true. So we can say that x plus y equals 0 is an equation for the figure A. For figure A, which is the equation x plus y equals 0. Then we can check that by another two choices. Choices y equal 2x. So we can check that by first solution, x equal negative 1, y equal 1. Then we have to check y equal 2x or not. That means we can find 2x, that is 2 into negative 1, that is negative 2. Here y is 1, y equal 1. These two are not equal. So we can say it is false. Then we can check the second solution, x equals 0, y equals 0. Then we have to find 2x, that is 2 into 0, 0. Here y is 0. So here these two are same, equal. So we can write it is true. Then for the third case, x equal 1, y equal negative 1. So 2x equal 2 into 1, that is 2. Y is negative 1. Here these two are not equal. So here it is false. Here two cases it is false, one only true. So we can say that equal to x is not an equation for the figure A. Fourth choice is 2 plus 3y equals 7x. The given solutions are negative 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1, negative 1. So we have to check that by first solution. X is negative 1, y equal positive 1. So we have to find 2 plus 3y, that is 2 plus 3 into 1, that is equal 2 plus 3 equal 5. Then what is 7x? 7 into negative 1, that is negative 7. Here these two are not equal, so this case it is false. Then for the second solution we can check that x equals 0, y equals 0. 2 plus 3y equal 2 plus 3 into 0, that is 2 plus 0 equal 2. Then 7x equals 7 into 0, that is 0. 7 into 0 equals 0. Here 2 and 0 are not equal, so here also it is false. Then the third case we have to check that by x equal 1 and y equal negative 1. So 2 plus 3y equal 2 plus 3 into negative 1, that is 2 minus 3 equal negative 1. Then 7x equals 7 into 1 equal 7. Here these two are not same, so here also it is false. Here in this case these three cases are false. So we can conclude that 3y equals 7x is not an equation for the figure A. 2 plus 3y equals 7x is not an equation for the figure A. This is the figure B given in the question 5. Here the solutions are negative 1, 3, 0, 2 and 2, 0. There are four options given, that is y equal x plus 2, y equal x minus 2, y equal negative x plus 2 and x plus 2y equal 6. Sub question is y equal x plus 2. First option is y equal x plus 2. So we have to check whether it is true for these three solutions given. So x equal negative 1, y equal 3 for the first solution. So y equal x plus 2. Is it true or false? That we have to check. For that we have to find x plus 2, that is negative 1 plus 2 equal 1. What is y here? It is 3. These two are not equal, so what we can say? It is false. Then we can check that by the second solution, that is x equal 0, y equal 2. Then here y equal x plus 2 is true or false, that we have to check. For that we have to find x plus 2, that is 0 plus 2 equal 2. Then what is y given? 2. Here these two are equal, so it is true. Then we have to check that by the third solution, that is equal 2 and y equal 0. So here also we have to check y equal x plus 2 as true or false. For that x plus 2 we have to find, that is 2 plus 2, that is 4. Then y is given as 0. These two are not equal, so it will be false. Here out of 3, 2 are false, only 1 is true. So what we can conclude? Y equal x plus 2 is not a solution for the figure B. For the figure B, y equal x plus 2 is not a solution. Given as y equal x minus 2. So here we have to check that by each solution given. So first solution, x equal negative 1, y equal 3. So we have to check x minus 2, that is negative 1 minus 2, that is equal negative 3. Y equal what? 3. Here these two are not equal, so it will be false. Then for the second solution, x equal 0, y equal 2. Then we have to find x minus 2, that is 0 minus 2 is negative 2 and y is given as 2. Here these two are not same, so we can write it is false. Then the third solution, x equal 2 and y equal 0. So x minus 2 equal 2 minus 2, that is 0. Y is equal 0. Here these two are equal, so we can write it is true. Here out of these three cases, only one is true. So what we can write as the conclusion? Y equal x minus 2 is not an equation for the figure B. For the figure B, y equal x minus 2 is not an equation. Choice is given as y equal negative x plus 2. So here also we want to check this by 3 solutions. So first one, x equal negative 1, y equal 3. So we have to find negative x plus 2. That is negative of negative 1 plus 2. That is 1 plus 2 equal 3. Then y is given as 3. So these two are equal. So this will be true. Next we have to check that by second solution, x equal 0, y equal 2. So negative x plus 2 equal negative of 0 plus 2. That is 2 itself. Then y equal 2, that is given. So here these two are equal, so it is also true. Then for the third solution, x equal 2, y equal 0. So negative x plus 2 equal negative of 2 plus 2. That is negative 2 plus 2 equal 0. Then y is given as 0. Here these two are equal, so it is also be true. Here the three conditions are true, so what we can conclude? Y equal negative x plus 2 is an equation for the figure B. Y equal negative x plus 2 is an equation for the figure B. Fourth choice is x plus 2y equal 6. X plus 2y equal 6. Okay. For that, we can take that by the solution, each solution. First, x equal negative 1, y equal 3. So, we have to find x plus 2y. That x plus 2y equal negative 1 plus 2 into 3 equal negative 1 plus 6 equal 5. But what we want to get, that is equal 6. But here we got it as 5. So it is not equal 6. So what we can write? It is false condition. The next, x equal 0 and y equal 2. Then x plus 2y equal 0 plus 2 into 2. That is equal 4. But we want to get 6. It is not equal 6. So it also be false. The next, x equal 2, y equal 0. So x plus 2y equal 2 plus 2 into 0. That is equal 2 plus 0 equal 2. Then that is also not equal 6. We want to get 6, but here we got it as 2. So here also it will be false. Here three conditions are false. Then what we can write as conclusion? X plus 2y equals 6 is not an equation for the figure B. For the figure B.